Hey everyone, Psycho King here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make get Blue Supersonic on Sonic 2. Also, Dating Gaming's here with me, so subscribe to his channel also. Anyways, let's get started. So it's the same thing as my previous. What's different? Click start game. Make a save. It's the exact same thing as Sonic 1. But there's one difference. I'll tell you what's the difference. Here's the difference. Not that it's a different sound. This one is 1, 9, 9, 2, 1, 2, 4. You can hear that same range on my now. Same thing. Now do the first method for y'all, even though I asked it what their little rings. I'll show you how to do it on Sonic 3. I can only show this on Sonic 1 and 2.
Ultimately, I think the best tools for kind of helping you with this is Minecraft itself, but I guess staying motivated can be a whole other topic for a whole other time. But the important thing is I hope that you've enjoyed our time.
And then you should look like this. Perfect time. You should be a whole lot like this. This is where your character should be. Finally, I got time. I'll do method 2 with y'all in Green Hill. Zone Act 2. So this is what your character is supposed to look like if you get both of the methods right. Now. In case if you have the first tutorial, this is how. So go all the way to the end. The whole way. Beat Dr. Eggman. Now you got time to jump just right.
If it had been played on since the very first version of the game and been updated through every major version all the way to the latest release, well, you think this would have been done before? It hasn't, because most people who've done something similar to this, including myself, either didn't start in the actual first version, didn't play the same world throughout, or never make it to the latest release. I seriously could not find anyone who's actually done that before, which must mean it's impossible. Right? Because I did something incredible. So today, I guess I'm gonna be the first.
Your character should be looking like my previous one, but you gotta time it right when you hit it. So your character should be looking like my character looked like in the first one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.